Let's learn how you can add home address to your Google Maps. So let us start by opening our Google Maps application. So now you want to go to this U tab here, and then you can create new list. Just click on that plus. Now you need to name this list and just type home. Now select list type as private. You can also choose to set emojis, so you can just click on some house emoji and click on save. Now you want to get to your blue dot. This is the place where you're at, and here you want to go to explore and then hold. Now you will see this pin and you need to save it and save as home, then click on done. When you go back, you will see home pin on your Google Maps. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.